Electric scooter of this year is now even more smarter. Ampere Nexus with Next.io and 7-inch TFT touchscreen cluster with faster boot time brings seamless riding experience, and today I am going to take you through it. Welcome to Ampere Connect. Let's learn how to use the app step by step. Go to Play Store or App Store. Search for Ampere Connect app. Tap Install or Get. Open the app. Enter your registered mobile number. Tap Get Started. Tap Get OTP. Enter the 6-digit OTP. Set your 4-digit MPIN for security. Enter details like VIN number, emergency contact, date of birth, blood group, etc. Select your vehicle variant before proceeding. See your battery percentage here. Trip and distance shows odo and last ride data. Range shows eco, city and power modes. Tap navigation to start directions. SOS for emergencies. Music for your favorite songs. Bluetooth connects your scooter and app. Turn on your scooter. Tap the Bluetooth icon on your app. Select your vehicle from the list. Once paired, Bluetooth turns blue with auto pairing feature. Tap navigation. Enter your destination. Tap start to begin. Turn by turn and map view directions will appear on your cluster. Calls can be answered or rejected using switches. Tap music icon. Allow storage permission. Pick your song and play. Use switches to play next or previous tracks. Tap SOS in an emergency. A 10-second countdown starts. Cancel if pressed by mistake. After 10 seconds, an alert is sent to your emergency contact. Menu has Home, Profile, My Scooter and Settings. Profile lets you update details and add favorite addresses. Scooter icon stores all vehicle related documents, and you need to update vehicle registration number. Settings allow MPIN change, theme switch or account deletion. You are now ready to ride Ampere Nexus with Next.io. Ampere Nexus is engineered to outperform, outlast, outshine. So ride connected, ride smart, ride Ampere.